Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back with another video. And in today's videos, I will show you guys and this little boy right here how to map the domain reseller to your whmcs system. Okay, let's get started. Hey, what's up everybody? It's like 12:30 in the morning and I'm just going to work. During the day there was too many noises and the kids were up, so I just couldn't record the video, but the boy couldn't keep up with the heat, so he went to sleep and here I am. I feel like I'm too deep into this, so it's better I finish what I started on this journey of becoming a successful internet entrepreneur. So in my last few videos, I show you guys how to install the whmcs system and how to install the WHM WordPress website builder add-on module to turn your whmcs system into a WordPress website builder. It's great if you want to automatically deploy custom WordPress website for your customer, but in this videos, I'm going to show you guys how to integrate the enorm domain reseller so that you can sell domain to your customer as well. So this worked great with the whmcs WordPress website builder add-on module because you can instantly deploy the custom WordPress websites with the domain for your customer. Okay, so if you guys already have the whmcs system installed on the resellers hosting plan, you can just simply go to your URL and you can just log into your dashboard. But if you not already have the whmcs system installed, you can go to the whmcs addon.smartandgood.com, and once you are over here, you can go to the solutions reseller hosting and you can install the whmcs system. So basically this is the landing page I created with all of the informations, so you guys can check out all of the features and stuff like that. And if you interested in the whmcs add-on module that I created, you can also check it out right here. But anyway, once you are over here, you can just log in. Alright, so once you are logged into the whmcs system, you will be prompted with the setup wizard. You can just go through the setup wizard and then you'll be able to create an enorm account. Okay, so let me show you real quick. So this is the setup wizard. You can just click right here to go to the next step. You can change your company name, hosting company. Okay, so this is where you are going to upload your logo, enter your email address, your email at business.com. Okay, so your address and stuff like that. This is your whmcs system URL. Okay, you can go to the next step where you can set up the payment. You can enable PayPal, enter your PayPal email right here. But I'm going to disable these because my main payment gateway is Stripe, and you can go to the settings and install Stripe later. You can click right here to go to the next step. Okay, so this is enorm. This is where we are going to create the free enorm account, and you can set up of the domain prices and TLDs. Okay, we can click right here to go to the next step, and this is where we are going to create the enorm account. So if you already have the enorm account, you can just click right here to log in. I already have the account. I can just use my and you will need the API token. If you don't have one, you can just right click, open on a new tab, then you can go to enorm, sign in. Alright you guys, so this is my account right here. You would have to refill this balance right here in order to automatically sign up the domain for your customer. I have 9 domain registered right here. So the price is around $10-11 per domain, and you can sell it to up to like $15 to $20 per year for one domain name. Okay, so now all we have to do is just look for API, and we can go to the API token manager. So these are my API key, and you can just enter a name right here, hosting company, and we can click right here to generate a new API key. Now we can just copy this key right here, and we can go back to whmcs setup wizard, and we can just enter the API key right here. Go to the next step, and you can enter the host name, the IP address. If you sign up for the whmcs system with our reseller hosting plan, we'll send you an email with all of these informations. You can log in. Also, you can check out my whmcs install videos on my YouTube channels. I'll put that video in the description. Okay, so you can check it out. But I can just click right here to skip that step. We can go to the next step, and just like that, we complete the setup for the enum with our whmcs system. Now we can go to the system setting, and we can give our domain name the prices we want to sell, and we can just look for domain pricing right here. Okay, so we have all of these TLDs, .com, .net, and we can click right here to give it a price. So right now the system is doing all of the syncing. So to register this .com domain is going to be $15. Transfers renewal is going to be the same price. Now you can give this $20 price, for example, or better, $19.95. If people want to transfer the domain to your reseller account, it's going to be the same price. And to renewal, so every year is going to be $19.95. For 2 years, you can give it a better price, for example $18.95. And just like that, we save the changes. We can close this window, and whenever somebody purchased the .com domain name on your website, it's going to be that price that you set. Let's check out the front end. Okay, so let's look for this domain name right here. Okay, so as you can see, the price is $19.95. People can click right here to add this domain to their cart. They can click right here to check out. They can use their own name server. Continue to the next step, and they can just click right here to check out. So the customer will have to enter all of the personal informations, billing address, and then they can check out with the Stripe secure payment gateway. So of course you have to go into Stripe and set up your API key in order to accept the payment, and the customer can click right here to complete the order. Alright you guys, so in my main website, this is where I create the WordPress website builder, where people can go in here. They can click right here to get started. So the websites will direct them to the theme library, where they will be able to check out all these available custom websites that I have pre-built. So for example, this is a premium dealership website. Okay, so a lot of my customers, they want to save money on creating the website, hiring a website designer to build the website for them. They can just go in here, they can check out the demo. If they like this demo right here, they can just click right here to get started and sign up for this website right here, and it will take them to the shopping cart, where the customer can choose a domain name. For example, they can check out this domain right here is available. They can continue to the next step, and just like that, they can choose the dealership website. Now, the software I use is the whmcs WordPress website builder add-on module. Is the software that I have developed for my system to automatically deploy these custom website for my customer. But anyway, the customer can click right here to continue to the next step, where they can check out. They can choose the DNS management for the domain name. They can choose the email forwarding and stuff like that, and they can continue to go to the next step. So this is their total cart. So if they sign up for this website right here, they are getting a free domain name. As you can see right here, renewal is going to be $20 a year. So this is the amount they are going to pay today, and we can click right here to check out, and it's going to be the same checkout process. They will have to enter their informations right here. Okay, create the password and enter Stripe payment details and complete the order. So when the payment go through, the system will automatically deploy the website for the customer. And this is the add-on module that I was talking about. So this is the main landing page where is a show all of the details of this add-on module. So when you purchase this add-on module, you will have the license key, and you would have the zip file where you upload the zip file to your cPanels, and then you're going to extract and install and activate your license key. So I have made a videos to show this demo. You can go to my website and you can scroll down. This is the videos right here. You can check it out, and you see how this add-on module work. And you can click right here to purchase the add-on. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to contact me. I'll put my information in the video descriptions as well. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. So please like and subscribe for more contents like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Peace.